evening, viewers. I am Rania Neva Mekadina, and welcome back to Hot News FSB, which presents various up to the minute information. We begin with a phenomenon familiar to Brawijaya University students, the long queue at one of their favorite canteens. Warung Bu Endang at the FEBB canteen is known for serving delicious, affordable homemade meals, but its popularity often causes long lines, especially during peak hours. To find out more about this situation and its impact on student activities, our college, Nadia Aprilia, is already on location. Nadia, what is the latest situation at Warung Bu Endang?
Thank you, Rania. I am reporting live from Faculty of Cultural Studies, Universitas Brawijaya. Behind me is one of the most crowded spots in FIBB Canteen, Warung Bu Endang, a place well known among students for its affordable meal and homemade dishes. Today, a familiar phenomenon is once again happening, a long queue stretching outside the stall, especially during peak lunch hours. Many students wait in line for about 15 to 25 minutes just to get their foods, showing how high the demand is for this particular food stall. To learn more about the situation, I am here with two students who are currently queuing at the stall. Okay, so this is our first guest. What is your name and from what study program are you?
Hi, my name is Sarah Sufati Arifa. I'm majoring in English Language Education, batch 2024.
Okay, could you tell us how often you buy food from Bu Endang?
I always buy ayam cabai garam from Bu Endang almost every day. After my class ends, my friends and I often stop by her stall to get food because it has already become our routine. So it can be said that I visit her stall nearly every day.
Okay. What makes you choose this stall compared to the others?
I have actually tried the other stall before, but none of them really match my taste. Everyone has their different taste, right? But for me, ayam cabai garam by Bu Endang tastes the best, and the seasoning is just right. And also the price is also reasonable. That's why I always end up choosing her stall over the others.
Okay, that's interesting. And for the last questions, how do you usually spend in line during peak hours?
During peak hours, I'd say 5 until 10 minutes in line, but sometimes it can be a little bit longer when many students finish class at the same time. But overall, for me, the service is quite fast.
Okay, thank you, Sarah, for sharing your experience. And now let's move on to the second guest. Okay, so this is our second guest. What is your name and from what study program are you?
My name is Novel Karnaxan Sativa. I'm from English Educational Study Programs.
Okay, how frequently do you come to Bu Endang stall?
Not every day, but maybe 2 or 3 times in a week. And I usually come here if the queue is not that really long.
Okay, does the long queue ever interfere with your class schedule or lunchtime?
Yes, often. The queue is very long, especially during 12 p.m. And I can take 10 until 15 minutes to queuing. That's forced me to rush my meal before the class.
Okay, and for the last question, in your opinion, what improvement could help make the queue more efficient?
I think Bu Endang can add 1 or 2 members of staff to help her to serve the dishes, especially for the popular dishes, and she can apply the pre-order system.
Okay, thank you, Novella, for sharing your experience.
You're welcome.
Thanks to both of our guests for sharing their experience. And from what we have observed today, the long queue at Warung Bu Endang reflects students' strong preference for affordable and satisfying meals. However, it also highlights the limited space and high crowd density during busy hours, which may affect students' schedule and comfort. This has been Nadia Aprilia Frigita reporting live from FIBB. Back to Rania in the studio.
Thank you, Nadia, for your report from the location. This long queue phenomenon is certainly a challenge for the canteen management and the university to find the best solution for student convenience without compromising the quality and affordability offered by Warung Bu Endang. We will continue to monitor developments regarding this issue. After the commercial break, we will return with more exciting news. That's all for this evening news. I'm Rani Neva Mekarina. Thank you for watching and good night.